Welcome to I Lecture Online. Now let's play with some cards. Cards exist in decks of 52, therefore there's 52 different cards, and we're going to pick a hand of 5 as we call it. Now how many different ways can we do that? Now are we looking for permutations or are we looking for combinations? Well, when we pick 5 cards out of a deck, it doesn't really matter what the order is. If we pick the Ace of Hearts first or last, it's still in your hand, and so therefore order does not matter. So we're looking for number of combinations, not number of permutations. So how do we do that then? Well, the number of combinations is equal to, and notice there are 52 cards and we're going to pick 5, and the equation for that is therefore equal to, and let me write the general equation first because I think it's just better to do that. In more general, it'll be like this. N represents the number of cards in the deck. R represents the number of cards that we pull from the deck. So this is going to be n factorial divided by n minus r factorial times 1 over r factorial. So that's the general equation we're going to use for number of combinations. So in this case, that's equal to 52 cards. And we take 52 factorial divided by 52 minus 5 factorial times 1 over 5 factorial. Okay, so that can be written as 52 factorial divided by 52 minus 5, which is 47 factorial, multiplied times 1 over 5 factorial. So what is that equal to? Well, that becomes equal to 52 times 51, and I'm already writing the next one down. Thinking ahead too far, 51 times 50 times 49 times 48. And then we go ahead and divide it by 5 factorial, which is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, which is 120. I guess we could simplify things a little bit. We can divide the numerator by 10 and the denominator by 10, and then 12 and 48. 12 goes into 48 4 times. And so that makes things just a little bit easier and faster. So that is equal to 52 times 51 times 5 times 49 and times 4 equals, and that gives us, wow, a lot of different combinations, 2,598,960 different ways in which we can pull 5 cards out of a deck of 52. That's why playing with cards is so interesting. There's almost a limitless number of combinations you can draw from a deck of 52. And that is how it's done. Let's see if that's right. That looks right.